Got a 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. We're going to change out the engine air filter today. So let's go ahead and take the plug off the mass airflow sensor and then remove the retainer down here on the wiring. Should just pull up and out of the way. Take the clamp off the piping. And you have 4 8mm or Phillips head screwdriver. You can take this crossbar out. It's not entirely necessary under this plastic. You'd have to take all these retainers off to get to the 10mm under here. But you can just release that tube, pull up, get the box out of the way, and remove your filter. Go ahead and put the new one in. Set it in place. Put your box cap back down. Let's put these screws back in. Don't over tighten. This is just a plastic box. You got steel screws going into a plastic box, so don't be too overzealous. So you don't want to strip that box out. Piping back on, tighten down, put our mass airflow sensor plug back on, and don't forget about the retainer down low. That's all there is to it.